What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and this unique build has already been getting a ton of attention on socials, so let's run you through everything that we did on this truck. This truck is a 2024 GMC 3500 Sierra. This is a regular cab dually. Now those of you that are familiar with the packaging that goes into these Sierra trucks, this size truck, this size bed, this size cab are only available in the work truck. This configuration is the most purpose-built because the less the truck weighs, the more gross combined weight rating that it has. So this is the way to get the highest tow capacity on a vehicle, but that wasn't why we went with this design. We wanted something that was unique. Everybody's showing up here with the crew cab to get lifted. We wanted to do something that was a little bit more purpose-built. So to start off, we got our hands on the Vader chrome accents that are straight off the GMC Denali Ultimates. You can see we swapped over that front grille, changed the bumper, wired in some fog lights, and made this front end look like the GMC Ultimate. We utilized paint on the emblems to do this azure blue and make sure that we had all of these colors matched up to the azure blue in the powder coating that we did. We made sure to get the fogged marker lights from Recon Truck Accessories. We tinted the tail lights and even fogged that third brake light. And then we debadged a bunch of spots around the truck. But let's get into the lift kit and all the other goodies. This is the Cognito 4-inch lift kit. We did upgrade it with the remote reservoir shocks from Fox. We ordered everything in the Builder series, which means that it all comes raw so that you can powder coat it yourself without having to strip anything down. We sent all these components over to Mod Finishes and they finished it in that azure blue. It's a very understated blue and looks blue in some lights, looks gray in others, but I really like the subtlety of it. The wheels are the 22-inch DDC mesh. We got the super single up front. They came in a black and machined, but we had those stripped down and powder coated as well. The face is all black, but those accents that would be that machined color are actually finished in that azure blue. We went with the standard lug caps instead of the spikes. There are some spiked options available. Now the tires are the 37-12-50. They are the Toyo Open Country ATii's. These are an awesome tire. They're relatively new. They are 3-peak mountain snowflake rated, so you can drive them 365 days a year. Toyo upgraded quite a bit from the ATii's. They did dress up this sidewall so that you can get a all-terrain tire underneath the truck and it'll still have a nice sidewall instead of looking very plain Jane like the previous generation did. And then of course, in order to show off the parts underneath, we used the XK Glow Rock Light kit and did a full underglow on this truck. It really looks nice and it really sets off the look at night. This thing looks like a spaceship. Alright guys, Brian, SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. If you have any questions about these regular cab dualies with the short bed, please hit us up. We're eager to get started on a couple more projects like this, and we're going to see you in that next video.